Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video answering a question that you have left me, to see if a failure in the PCV valve can cause the vehicle to lose oil there. Well, let's see. If the PCV valve fails, two things can happen. I have several videos also about this there in the channel. It can happen, first, that the valve clogs, in which case the engine will have an overpressure. This is the PCV valve in this vehicle. It can happen, as I say, it has an overpressure that will affect the engine and the vehicles they have, which have a turbo, because it will also affect the turbo because they will not allow the oil that it uses to lubricate itself to circulate well, and it can happen, which normally happens in these vehicles. This is from an Opel. In these vehicles the problem that occurs, this is a gasoline Opel, is that here, if the valve is damaged, what usually happens is that the internal membrane, to see if I can find you and leave you a link I have to high, with the valves broken, with the internal membrane broken. That membrane cracks and not only the gases from the engine come out, but the engine oil would also come out. And you can run out of oil in that engine. Okay, well, here you go, this short video, and if it has been useful to you, then do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel.